Gina Clark.
And Ryan Clark. In Virginia Beach for about 13 years. Golf, go to the beach, go to the bay, hang out by the pool now.
And ride bikes and entertain and spend time with the family in the backyard.
I think we found them through a Google search for top recommended contractors in the area.
Yeah, we interviewed a few different places and Solid Structures was the best.
Yeah, the deck ended up being exactly what we imagined. It's about 40 feet long, 20 feet wide, and has a stadium staircase all the way around leading out to the pool and the patio area. Something that our landscape architect drew up, and it came out almost exactly to plan.
It has helped me tremendously being a stay-at-home mom with the kids during the summer and making sure that they're both having a good time and they're safe is our main priority.
It is a PVC deck. It's the AZEC decking, and it's been maintenance free. It's been great. The color's been great, and it's cool on the feet during these hot days. Absolutely, we recommend Solid Structures to friends and family, and we have.